Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have a quick PSA about KaiOS and WhatsApp. If you were considering a KaiOS device, like a Nokia device, 6300, 2720, Energizer, Blackview, or whatever phone is available in your region and it has KaiOS 2.5 above or below, these devices will no longer have the ability to install WhatsApp. So if that's important to you for family, work, studies, whatever the reason, do not buy KaiOS devices if you're expecting to have WhatsApp. If you already have a KaiOS device, like the 6300 or like the 2720, whatever device it is, you can still use WhatsApp as long as you're already logged in. You will be able to use WhatsApp until February of 2025 per the latest reports. If this changes, I'll be updating the description below to update the date when WhatsApp is not going to longer work. This is quite important and a blow to KaiOS because a lot of people were able to buy very inexpensive devices like the KaiOS or Nokia's or Blackviews, whatever it is, the device that was available because it had WhatsApp. You still had some connectivity. But if you need WhatsApp in your life, do not consider any of the KaiOS devices. I have already updated the dumb phone finder. If you find a mistake, make sure to inform me so that I'll be able to provide the best information. However, I want to counsel you to plan for the transition, even if you already have a KaiOS device with WhatsApp. You have the availability of different devices with Android that will be able to run WhatsApp. In Europe, you have the TT Phone or Emporia Touch Smart devices. In Asia, and you can import these devices. You also have the Kyocera devices and Sharp devices. And in the United States, you have the Cat S22 Flip and some Xiaomi devices that will be able to work here, like the TIC, Chin Mini M5. You have different options. So make sure to look for an option to transition, or if you were considering a KaiOS device and you needed WhatsApp, do not buy those devices anymore. This is just a quick PSA. Hopefully you found it informative. Make sure to like, subscribe for staying up to date on the latest news on dumb phones. And if somebody needs to hear this, make sure to share it with that person so that they do not buy a KaiOS device because they no longer have WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.